Hey, what's up you guys? So today I'm going to be doing another video. Wait, this is my first video. I don't have any other videos. So it's my first video and I'm going to be doing all my favorite slimes. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 slimes. I have like 2 medium slimes, 1 large slime, and then 1 tiny slime. And so yeah. No, this is not going to be like any order, and this is on my phone, so the camera's going to be shaky, the audio is going to be bad, the lighting is just terrible. Don't even get me started. But this is my first video, so give me some ease, and don't be so hard on me. It's my first video. But anyways, let's just get started. So I'm just going to start with this purple one because I just love it. It is a butter slime, and it is so creamy and nice and thick. I don't even know how I made this because I can never make thick slimes. I wish there was like some type of recipe because they're just really hard to make, and I feel like everybody can relate that you can't really make a thick slime. There's just like those slimes that are like, how? And yeah, so I'm going to be switching the camera, but since I can't just switch it because there's no switch button while you're in the progress of videoing on your phone, I'm going to have to switch it to like that, you know? I don't know if you really understand, but it's okay. And that's probably not going to be the best quality, but that's how you're going to see the slime. So yeah, sorry about that. I will be doing a swirl for all of them at the end so you can see them in their swirl form. So yeah, and I love doing swirls. Yeah, I love doing swirls, especially with this one. So let me just show y'all. So I'm making sure you can see the slime. Again, sorry if my hand gets in the way. Sorry, I have terrible grammar. And the camera's shaky. I'm so sorry. I'm really just new at this, and I will be getting a new camera soon, so everything will be better. You're just gonna watch it happen. One day I'm just gonna have the best quality of things and stuff. So yeah, this is my purple lavender slime. That's what I call it, and it does have a lavender scent, so it does smell super good and nice. And yeah, so that's the slime. And let me just do one more bubble. Can't really hear that one. But yeah, I just love this slime, and it's a butter slime, as you can see. So yeah, I'm going to move on to my next slime because I can't make this video last forever. I wish I could. Just kidding. Then I have this bubblegum pink slime. I just love it. It's so stretchy and pink and stuff. It used to be this yellow color, which I did not like. It was just like a tinted yellow color, but then I decided to make it a pinky color, and I love this one so much. I love this color so much better. It was still a nice slime, whenever it was yellow, and then that pink was just made it 10 times better. You can just hear it. It's so loud and nice. Loud is a good thing if you don't know. Okay, one more bubble. Hoping that's snared. Okay. And the lighting just got terrible. I would fix it, but I can't just stop the video and restart it. Sucks for me. Oh, I just hit the camera. So yeah. Whoop. Okay, let's move on to my next slime. So the next slime is this. Yeah, I said yellow. Sorry. This orange neon slime. That was loud. This orange neon slime. And it's just nice. It was an orange slime, and then I put some pink in it to make it a little bit more peachy, you know? It sounds like dish soap for some reason. I don't know why. The lighting just keeps on getting more terrible. You wait here. Wait. There we go. Okay, that works, but whatever. We're just gonna have to deal with that. you can just hear all of the slime gods saying yes. So yeah, I'll show you my perspective of it. It's kind of like a rubbery, thick slime, but it's like a putty slime, but it's still not like stretchy. Like, oh, look at that. And yeah, it's so thick. And the crack-a-lackins, I call those like the bubbles, you know, are great. So let's put this in the pink slime. That'd be bad. So that's with that slime. So now let's move on to the very last and the smallest of my slimes. I don't know what that was. It is this pink. This pink slime. It is Soda Pop Fizz, just because it reminds me of like a grape soda. This is my only. Yes, that's what I said. Adding some of this, it actually makes it more like stretchy, because it's not hard, but yeah. And make it a little bit more sticky so the beads can stay in, because like as you can see, they don't like staying in. Anyways, I like this one. It's my only fishbowl slime, so yeah. And it's really nice, and it feels like a massage on your hand. The only downfall of it is that the beads fall out, so. But it's fine. We all have